Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's lesson we are going to learn how to prime factorize numbers and how to express them as products of their prime factors. Before we begin, you'll need to know what prime numbers and factors are. If you haven't seen my videos on those topics, I recommend watching them first. Click the link on your screen or check the description below. Then come back here when you're ready. So how do we express an integer as a product of prime factors? Integer is a whole number and product means multiplication. To prime factorize a number, we follow two simple rules. If the number isn't prime, keep dividing. When you reach a prime number, stop and circle it. Let's try this with 120. 120 isn't prime, so we divide it. Although it is divisible by many numbers, the easiest are 10 and 2. You can choose either, it wouldn't affect our final answer. I'll start with 10. 120 divided by 10 equals 12. 10 isn't prime, so divide it by 2, which equals to 5. Since 2 and 5 are prime, we stop and circle them. Now look at 12. 12 isn't prime, so divide it by 2, which equals to 6. 2 is prime, so we stop and circle. 6 isn't prime, so we divide it by 2, which equals to 3. 2 and 3 are prime, so we circle them both. You can see why I'd like to call this a cherry tree method. We need to write it out as a product of prime factors. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, which can be simplified to the product of powers of prime factors. 2 cubed times 3 times 5. You can put this calculation into your calculator to check if it multiplies back to 120. Now let's try 198. Here I can think of one easy divisor, 2. 198 divided by 2 equals 99. 2 is prime, circle it. 99 isn't prime, divide it by 3, which equals to 33. 3 is prime, so circle it. 33 isn't prime, divided by 3, which equals to 11. 3 and 11 are prime, circle them both. So 198 can be written as 2 times 3 times 3 times 11 and simplified to 2 times 3 squared times 11. Again, you can check on your calculator to confirm it equals to 198. Now it's your turn. Here are 3 GCSE exam style questions. Pause the video here and have a go. When you're ready, check the answers in the description below. By the way, many scientific calculators have a prime factorization function. On mine, I type the number 120, press equal, then press shift and fact. It shows the product of powers of prime factors. If your calculator is different, search your model online to see if it has this function. So why is prime factorization useful? In real life, it's used in data compression to store more information in less space, like in barcode technology, and creating efficient coding schemes. In maths, we use prime factorization to simplify fractions, find square roots and cube roots, and to work out the highest common factor and the lowest common multiples, which we'll cover in our next lesson. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more GCSE maths tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.